next door neighbors. Skins. Hi, Kins. Meow, meow. Look up here. There's a guy. Are you a guy or a girl? I actually don't know. You're a girl. You're adorable. Did you know you're adorable? Hi. Meow. Oh no, you didn't quite make it. I think you gotta jump. Are those your friends next door?